Have you seen ads for the Genie cloth and wondered if it's really a revolutionary cleaning product or just another overhyped microfiber cloth? The marketing shows a single cloth cleaning over 50 different surfaces using only water, streak-free, lint-free, chemical-free, and tough on grime. It sounds like a cleaning breakthrough, right? So I decided to look into it. Quick disclaimer, this is my personal research and opinion, for informational and educational purposes only. Let me start with what the company says. The Genie cloth is advertised as a reusable, thickened microfiber cleaning cloth that can clean virtually any surface using only water. The product page claims it offers streak-free, lint-free cleaning on glass, car windows, kitchen surfaces, and more. It's marketed as durable, machine-washable, and designed to replace paper towels and chemical sprays. When I started looking into the details, several things didn't line up. The first thing I checked was the website's reputation. Scam Detector gives geniecloth.com a trust score of 36.8 out of 100. The domain was registered on October 31, 2025, just about 9 months ago. The owner information is protected through a privacy service in Iceland, with no clear business address or contact number provided. A low trust score and a young domain aren't automatic proof of a scam, but they are factors worth noting. Here's where things get interesting. The Genie cloth's core claim, cleaning with just water, is not new technology. Spontex, an established brand, has been selling microfiber cloths with similar claims for years. Their cloths are made of thousands of tiny fibers, 85% polyester, 15% polyamide, and can remove 99% of bacteria with just water. Other brands like Euro and Norwex sell similar cloths. The Genie cloth isn't revolutionary, it's a standard microfiber cloth with aggressive marketing. The website says it can clean over 50 surfaces and handle the entire cleaning process in just one step. While microfiber cloths are versatile, the reality is more nuanced. They can effectively remove dirt, grease, and bacteria from smooth surfaces with water alone. However, stubborn stains, baked on grease, and surfaces that require disinfecting may still need cleaning products. No single cloth performs perfectly on every cleaning job. The product is currently advertised with a big discount, making it seem like a limited-time bargain. The Amazon listing shows the 5-pack at around $22.99. Comparable microfiber cloths from established brands like Spontex are widely available for much less, often under $5 for a 4-pack. The discount may be a marketing reference rather than actual value. I couldn't find independent verification of the specific claims made for the Genie cloth brand. While brands like Spontex have independent laboratory testing confirming their cloths remove 99% of bacteria with water, the Genie cloth doesn't publish similar data. The Amazon listing shows just one rating with 800 plus bought in the past week, which is positive but not a huge sample size. The pattern here is familiar, a generic product from a category already well established in the market, wrapped in flashy marketing and heavy discounts. This is common with dropshipping style operations. They take a standard product, brand it, and sell it at a premium. The product itself is likely functional, but the breakthrough claims are marketing rather than innovation. The limited independent feedback I found suggests the product is a standard microfiber cloth. Some users report it works well for basic cleaning. Others say it's no different from other microfiber cloths they've used. The Amazon listing shows 800 plus people bought in the past week, but there are very few reviews to draw solid conclusions from. So, is Genie cloth a scam? In my opinion, it's not a scam, but it's a product with overstated claims, marketed as a revolutionary breakthrough when it's really just a standard microfiber cloth. The cloth likely works for everyday cleaning, and many microfiber cloths can indeed clean with just water. But the magic isn't new technology, it's existing microfiber technology with a compelling sales pitch. If you buy it, you'll probably get a functional cleaning cloth. But you could also buy comparable cloths from reputable brands at a fraction of the price. The bottom line, compare prices with other microfiber cloths, read genuine customer reviews, and avoid making a purchase based only on marketing promises. Have you tried Genie cloth or a similar product? Drop your experience in the comments below. I read every one. And if you found this research helpful, Hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next investigation.